Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. Today I have a very easy project for you. It's one of those, I'm leaving these quicker ones for the last weeks and the last videos because I know that you'll be in a hurry and you want something quick to make. So this is basically a coffee, like a coffee pouch. We have here a chocolate. We have coffee, instant coffee, and a spoon. You can use Hershey Kisses like I did with that one, but you can also use this Kit Kat or whatever you want really. You can have like a longer chocolate piece here, whatever you want, and you can use whatever. I just chose Nescafe because I like it and it's inexpensive, so it's another food option for you. This is the price. I already have the price for this, $3.50. And very quick to make and easy for them to grab, and it's a great gift, great option for your craft fair. So let me show you how to make it. You won't believe how easy it is. Hey guys, I thought I would show you my table in my craft room, how bad it is right now, how messy it is. I basically want to make you feel good about yours. So I have all the stuff here. I usually start very organized with all these, pockets and these little containers. And then with time, everything becomes a mess. I usually have this little table here on the side where I have always my, my cutting. Let me get this out of the way. My paper trimmer, and my scoring board, because that's easy for me to just grab. And I have my dog who is always here with me. Let me just show you his face because it's very unusual. Pablo, Nana, look at that. He doesn't like cameras. Cute face, huh? But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you how bad it is. Look at that. I have, easy to reach, the things that I use all the time, like the food. Right now I'm preparing a lot of things that, and guys, if you're looking for Hershey Kisses and Hershey's nuggets, this is really the best prices that I found. I always have it on my list on the descriptions. So that's that. That's my crafting area for you. I want you to feel really good about yours because I'm sure anything looks better than mine right now. So that's it. So now let's go to the tutorial. So what you need for this is the food. So Kit Kat, it can be the Hershey's like I showed in the beginning, your instant coffee, and a little spoon. I get these at the Dollar Tree. You can use whatever coffee you have. Just keep in mind the price. This is 4 times more or less more expensive than this coffee. But people do know Starbucks, so it's your preference, okay? I don't know, in Brazil we love Nescafe, so I'm just choosing Nescafe. So we need this piece of paper here is 7 3/4 by 3 1/4, and this one is 3 by 2. So that's for the top, and of course some embellishments. We're gonna use this later. I'm gonna put this aside. So basically we're going to score. Let's do the short side first. I'm going to zoom in. Well, I'm not going to zoom in so much because it's long. But basically on the left here, we're going to score at 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch. So the distance here is 1/4. And then here, we're going to score at 2 3/4 and 3. You see how simple this is? Then you're going to turn and score at 2 and 2 1/4. And we're done with the scoring. Very simple. Now, you see over here, let me show you with a pen so that I can actually mark here. We have a line here, another one here, and one here, right? So like that. We're going to cut all the way, all this top part here, the long way, all the way down here. We're just going to be left with this bottom part here. You're going to understand once I cut it. Use your paper trimmer just so you guarantee that it's going to be straight. That's how I cut mine, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to use my scissors. So we go all the way down. See, we have 1, 2 lines here. Let me just fold these scoring lines because it will make it easier for you to see. So see, and this is basically going to go here. Same thing on the other side. We're going to cut the top all the way down, straight. And then this here on the sides here, the last flap, I just cut it at an angle like this. So we have 2 folding lines here. See? And we have 2 on one side and 2 on the other. Just going to fold. And now all we need to do is glue. Very easy. I'm gonna get my glue. I almost broke my pen now. So see, this is what we're gonna do. So we have 2 folding lines here, like that, and we're going to glue it here, like that. How easy is this? But before I do that, I'm going to just cut here the top, because I have my 3 ways here of cutting, and I want to just add one little more interest on the top. I don't want it to just be, see? It's easier to see this side. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so there and here, the best way to do this is just put, I'm going to zoom in. This is more detailed. So, and we're just going to fold it in like that, making sure that this here, the bottom here, goes all the way down, okay? You want to make sure this is like a box. So press it down and make sure that the bottom is glued right here straight. There you go. Now the other side, same thing. I'm gonna press it in. Make sure this is straight here. And now what I do is I get my bone folder and I just press it down to secure it in place. So here we have our little tiny box. I'm going to zoom out, and now we're going to just decorate it. So now we're going to add our Nescafe. Gonna leave the coffee on the top this time. We're going to put the Kit Kat right here, and your, there you go, perfect. Now we have a little piece of plastic bag, and I'll have the link to all these perfect sized the bag and everything else. So now what we do is we want to turn this around. This is the opening. This is where the glue is. So I want the glue to come on the back here. So you want to make sure that the self-closing part is always at the bottom of whatever you're making, because people can just open it and pull it out, not on the top, because on the top you're going to use staples. So our piece of paper here, that is, let me see which side I want to use, this one. So we're just gonna fold it in, and I need to get my stapler, just a minute. Now I have my stapler, so we're just going to cover this, staple it twice, and I'm going to use this washi tape here just to cover the staples, because I really dislike them. So just like that. I always have these thin washi tapes with me. Joann's always has loads of these, and Michael's too. So just do that. And now we're gonna come with our, this is from the Hobby Lobby. Merry Christmas. And here we are. How easy was that? So let me show you more options. That's our project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like my content, please do. Thank you so much and you have a great day.
Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.